Hello, my name is Jerry and I'm here to talk about the insurance crisis in the inflatable industry that we have at the present time. It's very serious, and 2 weeks ago Leisure Insure pulled out from Ireland. They pulled out from taking any new business, and from the 1st of August they've stopped doing renewals of any kind. So they're entirely pulling out of the country, and the situation for us in the inflatable industry is very, very serious. We have been in touch with a broker who wants to make a risk assessment of our business in Ireland and to have a look at that and present this risk assessment to some underwriters, probably in the UK, to try and get somebody to take us on a risk. I believe the leisure industry in general was becoming uneconomically viable for Leisure Insure and for their underwriters, but I've never believed that there was an excessive amount of claims in the inflatable area. In fact, we know of very, very little, and we do hear of them now and again, but very, very little, and particularly very, very little successful claims. We are using the same broker that was used by the Play Centre Group, and Linda Murray from Navan was all over the airways with that, and she ended up, after a lot of hard work, having a very good group together to represent the Play Centres, and they successfully sourced some very good insurance at a reasonable rate. This is what we want to do, and it's been made clear to us by the brokers that this can only be done by a large group presenting together. That is why we want you to join with us, with everybody else. Now, you've probably seen the emails that we've sent out so far, and you know the position. So what we want is, we're going to do this group under the umbrella of the IIHF. Now, I know very well that the IIHF has been lacking in activity and hasn't been the most fantastic organisation over the years. I know it more than anybody. But this is the structure and this is the vessel that we have handy to us at the moment going forward. And hopefully we'll be left with a good, solid group after, hopefully, we can resolve this situation. For this to work, we need you to be involved. We need you, no matter when your insurance is up, to pay a membership to the IIHF, to join up, and after that you pay your membership, we will issue you with a new renewed IIHF number, and you will use this number to contact the broker, and we'll give you the broker details in the email after you've signed up. We've had a fantastic response so far, very often from larger operators in the country who want to sign up and see it clearly as the way forward. This industry is changing, and we need to change with the times, and what we need is a strong representative group, and I propose that this will be it. It costs €50 to join the organisation, and we don't think this is a lot of money to invest. We're going to spend a lot of time on this and effort. The money that will be hopefully gathered together will be used for consultancy advice, will be used for legal advice, and will be used to pay the people here in the office to do the substantial amount of work that we have to do, the logistics of putting it all together. It is not a quick quick fix for anybody. Believe me, if we even get 100 people, there won't be a lot of that money left, and we do need a badly needed upgrade to the IIHF website, and I propose we use it for that, and we use it for various other things going forward. It will be well used, I guarantee you that. So Leisure Insure's underwriter issued a statement to say, we have undergone a strategic review of our business with Leisure Insure Limited in Ireland, and we've concluded that the current market dynamics mean this business does not fit our business plan going forward. As such, we will not be renewing this business with Leisure Insure in Ireland as of the 1st of August. Now, that means they just pulled out because it didn't suit them, and because of all the hassle and the trouble that we have here in the Republic of Ireland, such as our high award system, our judicial system, our book of quantum, and all of those things that the government say they're going to fix. And this was certainly commented on by Leisure Insurer as too little, too late. So we have to work with what we have. I believe our section, the inflatables of the leisure industry, is viable economically for an insurance underwriter to take on this risk. I really do. And that is why you've been asked when you join up to fill out all the information you can, and to be clear, you don't send that information to us, you send it directly to the broker. It is your personal information, it is your turnover, it is your you'll be asked for your 5-year claims experience, and that's the terminology they use. So Leisure Insurer, when you contact them, even if your insurance is not up till next May, if you contact them and ask them for your previous 5-year claims experience, they will issue you with a notice, like a no claims bonus, I presume. And this comes back to you, and we forward this on to the new broker. That way they can assess the risk. And I really want everybody to get involved, and as a group we can do it. We have a responsibility to do it. If we don't have insurance, we can't do corporate work, we can't do schools, we can't do community halls. In fact, we really shouldn't be working without insurance at all. And if we end up having to do that, that is a major disaster. That's to be avoided at all times, and as much as possible we need to make an effort to avoid that situation, which we're heading headlong into unless we do something. It is up to you to join, to give the details, to answer the questions, and we hope you will, as soon as possible, join all the others who have joined so far in the last couple of days. And we want you to do it now. There is no point in waiting till later. Once we get the group together, once we get it all done, there will be no opportunity for you to join later. It will be only now, because it wouldn't be fair. We have to put the group together now. If you have any questions, you can come back to me, Jerry, on 086 686 7514, or email us at info@iihf.ie. Thank you.